Great Women Awards. Once again, we are gathered here today to celebrate International Women's Day.
और आज मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि ये ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हर वर्ग की महिला को सम्मानित किया जाता है।
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः।
I am so proud to be standing on this stage, which is felicitating all these wonderful women achievers from across India.
And I am dedicating it to all the glorious women sitting in front of me who have taken the prize today.
God gives you something, and it's very important to give back much more than you get. And I've tried to do that most of my life.
महिलाओं की काबिलियत को पहचाना जाए, तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का। ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही अहम और कीमती तोहफा है।
God made man and woman and she made them equal.
Truly believe we are the women of substance and sky is the limit for us.
I would like to dedicate this award to my mother.
ये कन्या भ्रूण हत्या जो है एक हमारे समाज पे कलंक है।
I just want to say that where would we be without women? They give us our first breath, and after that they continuously take our breath away.
The hardest thing is the first step, and I wish them the best at that.
मैं हर औरत से कहूँगी कि शिव के साथ शक्ति होती है, शक्ति नहीं है तो शिव शव बन जाता है।
यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः।
ये देश में ऐसा आदमी लोग पैदा होते रहे जो औरतों को इज्जत करें।
I think it's basically a tribute to the woman.
We worship Durga, the protector. Ma and Beti are the fountainheads of our value system.
बेटी अभियान, उसके लिए हम आपके साथ रहेंगे। एक महिला का सम्मान, यह एक शक्ति का सम्मान है।
I'd like to thank every team member, everyone in the city who have supported the Dubai Festival and Retail establishment to achieve such successful events over the years.
It comes to me as a great pleasure to be the first Pakistani award recipient of the Great Women Awards.
قلبي وكل منى معك عمري ما قلت ولا.
So big hand to all the lovely women sitting in the crowds tonight.
I'm honored. I want first to thank Gadrea Holdings for celebrating me in such a big way. Thank you guys.
If you have a daughter born in your house, please give her that opportunity, and you never know where she will be.
My sincere thanks to the organizers for doing such a wonderful function.
Thank you, great. I think I've just started off and this is truly an inspiration.
शशि रंजन जी के और अनु रंजन जी के हम थैंक यू बोलना चाहते हैं कि हम जैसे गरीब लड़की को यहाँ बुलाया, इतना सम्मान दिया, हम आज बहुत खुश हैं।
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट, वाकई बेहद ग्रेट है।
I think every one of us here who are empowered, if we are able to touch 1,000 lives, this dream is not far away. The Beti will truly be a movement.
सांसों में प्रीत भरे, रागों में गीत भरे, सपनों में रंग भरे बेटी, लक्ष्मी का दीप जले, आरती का शंख बजे, जिस घर में वास करे बेटी।
This is not a reward for me. This is actually a tribute to my family.
This is really special and I wish my mother was here. And thank you Priyanka for coming and meeting with me the whole time.
I think there are such a few of us women who have the opportunity to do what we have, and we are really privileged.
These great achievers who have gathered here, and it is indeed a memorable award for me being a woman artist.
So happy to be here and to be receiving this honor. Thank you again. Great.
So many very special and capable ladies who really support us. So they are supporting us. So women, make it.
Distinguished guests, I feel privileged to receive this award.
I'd like to dedicate this award to my mother.
It's a real honor to be here for the Great Women Achievers Award.
मैं बहुत ही humility और humbleness के साथ इस award को accept कर रही हूँ.
I would like to thank Great, the Achievers Awards. क्या आप लोगों ने मुझे इतना काबिल समझा कि ये खूबसूरत सा अवार्ड आज मेरे हाथ में है।
सर को घुमा ले राउंड, पैर जरा अप डाउन, इतनी सी ये बात वे, हाँ वो बंदा ही क्या है जो
डांस पे चांस मार ले ओ सोनिया डांस पे चांस मार ले ओ बलिए डांस पे चांस मार ले ओ सोनिया डांस पे चांस मार ले
दिल से मैं आप सबका आभारी हूँ.
I feel tonight, well, I feel great.
To share this platform with you truly makes me taller than I am tonight. And it is fantastic. And I am tall tonight, you got to agree. Stree Shakti, that unique energy, that power, the strength that only we possess. Let's celebrate it forever. And this is in honor of that. Thank you very, very much.
I would love to thank the organizers for putting this wonderful event.
It really feels great to be here tonight. I'm humbled, I'm honored to receive this award.
A great honor for me to stand in a room filled with so many talented and beautiful and successful women.
In some part of the world, the progress of the woman is happening, but it is very slow. We need to accelerate the progress of the woman in this world.
I want to say that I'm really, really grateful to be here. This is better than an Oscar.
Great Women's Achievers for having me here today amongst so many esteemed and accomplished women, beautiful women.
It's a truly great honor and tremendous to be on this prestigious award.
The most inspiring women who've inspired me, and I admire them greatly. This is very special to be sharing the stage with them.
People say that, behind every successful man is a woman, but I feel behind every successful woman is also a woman.
दो कुलों का श्रृंगार होती है बेटी, इस सृष्टि का विस्तार होती है बेटी, तो क्यों न हुजूर हर घर में हो एक बेटी.
बेटी को मत समझो भार, बेटी को मत समझो भार, बेटी है जीवन का आधार.
Everybody associated with Beti Flow Great Awards for bestowing me with this honor.
I'm very thankful to God for this award which I'm getting here today.
Thank you GR8 and Fiki Flow for giving me this award. Thank you so much for this honor. My mother will be very happy. She's the reason I've turned out quite okay. So this one's for her. Thank you very much.